So, I beg to move an amendment to the proposed Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Amendment Bill 2025. An amendment to clause 4.31, which reads as follows: the nodal agency will be responsible for promoting the investment ecosystem in the state and taking up all activities relating to setting up industrial or service sector undertakings and the promotion of economic development in the state. This includes conducting investment facilitations, events, roadshow across the country and internationally, creation of land banks through direct purchase of land or other means, and setting up of offices. This clause may perhaps be deleted, in which it contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act 1971 to direct purchase of land in the state, which falls under the 6th schedule.
Yes, you may initiate discussion, please.
Okay, so at the outset, I would like to thank the Chief Minister for bringing the government's amendment, whereby deleting a certain section of this clause. So, before I proceed with my submission, sir, I would sincerely congratulate our Chief Minister for his newborn baby boy. So, and I would also like to appreciate the step taken by the government. I would like to express my happiness right from my heart when the government is taking this decision to delete. But let us make some submissions, sir.